Tapos, sa VR naman, using this equation, negative 1612.5 plus 100 alpha x squared divided by 9. Execute, calculate. Ang x natin ay 4.5. Your VR is negative 1387.5 Newton. Okay? So see, nag-cancel out sila. So that means your equations are correct. Next, ganun din ang gagawin natin sa moment. So from equation 2, your moment left would be this. Okay? 1612.5 alpha x minus 100 alpha x cubed divided by 27. Calculate. X is 4.5 and your answer is 6918.75. Okay, so 6918.75 Newton meter. Then let's check MR. It should cancel with ML. Sa MR naman, yan, hindi ko na ni-reduce yan, mahaba. So instead, from my notes, idediretso ko na dyan sa calculator. So let's try, minus 1537.5 open parenthesis 24 minus alpha x close plus 0.5 open 300 times 15 close open 5 plus 9 plus x close plus 0.5 open parenthesis, nandito na ako, open parenthesis again, 200 minus 200 alpha x divided by 9 close open 9 minus alpha x close and then probably isa pang close times 2/3 open parenthesis 9 minus alpha x close plus dito na tayo 200 alpha x divided by 9 close open 9 minus alpha x close times okay 9 minus alpha x. Careful with your grouping symbol, divided by 2 or simply multiplied by 0.5. Then calculate. X is 4.5. Something's wrong. Okay. Now, how to edit? You just simply press your arrow right. Yan, babalik siya sa umpisa. So, i-review mo yan isa-isa. Okay? So, check ko. 1537.5 times 24 minus x plus 0.5 times 300 times 15 times the quantity 5 plus 9 plus x plus 0.5 open 200 minus 200x divided by 9 close times open 9 minus x close times 2/3 times the quantity 9 minus x plus 200x divided by times 9 minus x and calculate. Ayun, kita ko na. Dito, 5 plus 9 minus x. Nagamit ko rito 5 plus 9 plus x. Okay? So, yan, and then calculate. X is 4.5. Yan, see? So, moment right now becomes negative 6918.75 Newton meter. See? Nag-cancel out sila. They are numerically the same but opposite in direction. Kaya, ang trick dito, titingnan mo kung sa cut section mo, ano ang pinakakonting members or pinakakonting forces, yung sa left ba o yung sa right. In this case, ang pinakakonti yung nasa left. Mahirap mag-solve yung nasa right. Besides, they will just give you the same values but opposite in direction only. Next, using equations 1 and 2, still, equation 1 tsaka equation 2. Remember the equation 1 is shear, equation 2 is moment, alright? Isa-substitute natin yung 9 meters para sa x, meaning we are still at segment AB. Pero imamax out natin sa 9 meters. So, at 9 meters, at x is equal to 9, from equation 1, your VL is 712.5 Newton. And then equation 2, moment left is 11,812.5 Newton meter. Now, ano ang significance nito? Ibig sabihin yan, kukumputin ngayon natin yung BC. Okay? Tapos, magsasubstitute tayo, dito tayo magkakat ng section. Take note na, nagkat tayo ng section at 9 meters, which is also here. 9 meters at segment, okay? 9 meters at segment AB. Magkakat tayo ng section naman at 9 meters at segment BC. Okay? Dapat parehas sila ulit but different in direction. Okay, let's now go to BC. So, dito tayo magkakat ng section. Your x is greater than 9 but less than 24. Remember that from distance A to C is 24 meters. So, by ratio and proportion, this is 300, okay? 300 all over 15. Take note that this is 15, okay? 300 all over 15 is equal to y all over this distance, but this dimension is 24 minus x. So from that ratio and proportion, your y is 300 all over 15 times 24 minus x. Okay, let's now compute your shear at right, okay? Meaning, dito na tayo ngayon. So the trick here is to look for the section or the free body which has the smallest number of loads and reactions, which happens to be the right. Okay? So, summation forces vertical, RC, that is positive 1537.5, minus the area of this triangle, okay? Which is 1/2, times y, which is this one, multiplied by 24 minus x. So, let's take this as equation 3. So, take note, ito na ngayon yung equation ng shear at right at section BC. And then, moment at right again, ito ulit ang kukunin natin as free body diagram. That would be negative RC dahil counterclockwise, multiplied by the lever arm na 24 minus X, plus the area of this again, which is basically this. Okay? 1/2 times 300 over 15 times 24 minus X times 24 minus X. Times 1/3 of this dimension. Kaya 24 minus X divided by 3. So that is equation 4. Hindi ko na yan ini-reduce. Ipapasok ko na lang yan diretso sa calculator. Okay? So, now let us substitute at X is equal to 9. Take note, at X is equal to 9. That would be here. So, you substitute 9 dito sa equation 3. Okay, so let's try. 1537.5 minus 0.5 times the quantity 300 all over 15 times the quantity 24 minus alpha x times the quantity 24 minus alpha x, then close, then calculate. Your x now is 9 meters, okay? So, 9 x. So, that will give you negative 712.5. Okay, so 712.5. Next is moment R. So, moment R, this is negative RC, and that is 1537.5 times the quantity 24 minus alpha x plus 0.5 times the quantity 300 divided by 15, 24 minus alpha x times 24 minus alpha x times the quantity 24 minus alpha x divided by 3. Then calculate. X is equal to 9. Moment is negative 11812.5. Okay? Ayan. Now, we can use the same equation para makakuha ka ng moment or shear at any section BC. Let's say 16.5, okay? At x is equal to 16.5. So, ulitin ko lang yan. Calculate. Ang ipapasok ko is 16.5 sa value ng x. And it will give you negative 1012.5 Newton meter. Para sa shear naman, calculate ko yan. The shear is 975. Okay? Next. Now, what is the significance of getting the left and right moments? Take note na dito sa 9 meters, dyan tayo yung 9. Remember ha, we can determine the moment at any section from the right as free body or from the left as free body. This time, at 9 meters, kinuha natin yung section BC, okay, or the right. Lumalabas na negative 11812.5, di ba? Ngayon, at section AB naman, kanina, which is this, okay, at section AB, ito, ang equation nung moment is pwedeng ML, pwedeng MR, okay? Ang ginamit natin ay equation 2. Ito. Ang isa-substitute mo dyan ngayon, this equation 2, you substitute 9 meters because nandito tayo, no? And it will give you 11812.5, which is basically the same as this one, no? But they are different directions. So meaning, tama yung ating mga equations. Next, to get location of inflection point. Remember, inflection point is the location of maximum moment and your zero shear. Okay? So, you simply equate equation 3, which is this. Equation 3 to 0 to get point of inflection. Take note na shear is equal to 0. Kaya equate mo lang yan ng 0. Yan. So, to do that, just press the, yan, yung back lang, arrow left, ito siya, and then, i-edit mo yan, alpha equal sign to 0, and then shift solve. Okay? You just put any value here, let's say 100. So, kanina naglagay ako ng value na 100 sa x. Ang inilabas niya ay 36. But, ibig sabihin masyado nang malayo yan. Dahil yung ating span is hanggang 24 lang. Lamampasin ng 36. So, shift solve ulit. This time, pasok natin 0. Okay, so 11.6 acceptable na yan. Yan yung tamang value, which is this. Okay, 11.6. Next, to get the maximum moment, you simply substitute this value sa moment right. Okay, which is equation 4. Ngayon, arrow left lang. Yan. Oops. Ito pala. Then, calculate. Ang ilalagay mo dyan would be ans. Then, execute. So, lumalabas ngayon yung previous answer niya. Then, execute. That is now your moment, which is negative 12,709.58669 Newton meter. Now, let's compare this to the book. Okay, so reactions, you have 1612 and 1537, correct? Tapos yung at section AB, your shear is 1612.5 parehas minus, oops, sorry. Ayan. At section AB, shear is this equation, ano? Which is this equation naman. Ayan. V at L. So this is simply VL. Okay? Tapos, yung moment, 1612.5x, which is this. Ayan. Okay? 1612.5x. This is actually your moment L. Okay, so this is moment L.